of humor, you're gonna love the next one. That's okay, because either way, it's full of semen. But to get the rest of you in a pirate mode, we're gonna go ahead and, well, we warned you. We're gonna go ahead and do a cheer. This one is our personal favorite. This one is called Heck No. And it's easy. We're gonna ask you all some questions. After the right question, when they shout that as loud as you can, heck no.
So is everybody ready?
Heck no!
Good. All right. Do you guys want to see some juggling?
Heck no!
Do you guys want to see some card tricks?
Heck no!
Do you guys want to see some mime?
Heck no!
Do you guys want to see us make fools of ourselves?
Heck no!
You bastards!
Let's reintroduce ourselves, and you guys go crazy out there.
Now guys, this is where you get to seize control and set the tone of the show. We'll do the scream, cheer, shout, make a hell of anthem because remember, the longer and louder you applaud, the wilder the show's gonna be.